Ever felt buried under a mountain of customer support tickets, struggling to keep things organized? Today, we're conquering ticket chaos by automating issue escalations between Jira Service Management and Jira, so we can transfer issues and focus on customer needs. Let's dive in. First, let's access the Jira project settings. Then, we will navigate to Automation in your project settings. Click Create Rule and select Create Custom Rule. This is where the magic happens. Now it's time to build our automation. Start by defining the trigger. We're using issue transitioned as the most common method to escalate from JSM. Click where it says issue transitioned. Choose the appropriate transition from your JSM project. This is the step where the trigger is activated. Let's say, when the ticket is marked escalated, you want the rule to trigger when an issue transitions to the stage needing a Jira ticket. Next, click New Action to add an action to the automation. In the action, select Create Issue, then choose the Jira project. Then, select the issue type to the kind of ticket you want to create. The screen's most important part is where you'll map the JSM ticket information to the Jira issue. Use the fields accordingly to populate the summary, description, and any other relevant fields. Who will likely want to use fields from the triggered JSM ticket with smart values so they are correctly transferred. Review your rule, ensuring everything is correctly configured. Name and enable your automation to start streamlining your ticket workflows immediately. Congratulations, you've successfully set up automated issue escalations, improving efficiency and allowing your support team to focus on what matters most: solving customer problems.